Summer and the weather is fine. Summer and the weather is fine. Anywhere the wind blows, that's the way the river flows. Summer and the weather is fine. Problems of a worried man. Problems of a worried man. Resting on his shoulder, never tell you all that. Problems of a worried man. When I went to get a microphone, the first thing that left me confused was what would happen if I just use a dynamic mic that's whose output is an XLR cable. Okay, what will happen if I use this and try to plug it into the PC? Okay, that was something that has been bothering me for quite some time, and I did it, and basically the conclusion was, unless I was keeping the microphone right here, okay, if I am not keeping it right here, it doesn't pick it up. That was understandable. Okay, I still wanted to try it out, so I did that. Okay, so the thing is, if you try to search microphone in Amazon, and most of the microphone that comes up have this 6.25 mm jack, this bigger jack, you can convert it into a PC. But if you try to use it as a microphone and without an amplifier or a DAC, what will happen is you will have to keep the mic very close. That's the conclusion of that video. Okay, that's the reason I said let's time to order a new microphone. So I put on Amazon USB mic. I went on YouTube. I tried to find what are the good mics, what are the mics that keep coming up again and again and again. If you search USB mic, the third listing that will come is Fifine USB, and this has the most number of ratings. Okay, if you search condenser mic, Fifine again comes up. Okay, these two microphone are essentially the same. The K669B and T669, sorry, K669B and T669 are the same mic, but this one comes without a detachable USB cable, this one comes with a detachable USB cable, so this will last longer, and it comes with every other thing. Okay, that's going to be my next mic. In the meantime, yeah, this will be my next mic. This is more near the $30 mark. That will be my next mic, and I will make video on that later. For now, I got K668. Okay, and the thing was, yeah, it's very cheap. It's only 17-18 bucks, and this is a condenser microphone. Now, regarding the condenser and this microphone, condenser and so this is the condenser microphone that doesn't have that analog output, and compared to what's the name? The one is the condenser mic, the other is dynamic. Yeah, sorry, a dynamic mic. Now, what I gathered from a lot of YouTube reviews and all that you should get a dynamic mic, because many studios who have a curated place and everything, they use a dynamic mic, and it is made so that it will basically catch your voice, and it will not catch a lot of the noise that is in your room. Okay, and that's when I thought that maybe, yeah, dynamic is good. The problem with is, as I showed you, if you try to use a dynamic mic with an amplifier and everything, the cost goes up quite a bit. Okay, and someone who has just started and he was thinking that maybe I should get a mic, I cannot wholeheartedly recommend something. You will see this, me doing this a lot of time. If you are unsure about if this product is going to fulfill my life's, if it has a place in my life, get the cheapest one, get the cheapest usable one, try to use it. If you use it, if it helps you, it's fine, you can get the better one. If it's not, no worries, it didn't spend it didn't burn your pocket that much. Okay, there are a lot of products like that in our house that were bought for such similar purposes, and we never use them. Anyways, so yeah, that's the point. So I was not sure if I want to get that mic. The reason was why I didn't want to get this mic or any other mic is I was not sure if it will catch every other sound in the room, because I use a fan. It's a standing fan there, a ceiling fan. These are very loud. These are very loud. And if you have ever used OBS and you try to change the audio settings, you see this RN noise, good quality audio. If you use this RN noise, it will suppress your whispers and everything. It's not really usable. I was using it because I didn't have other option. The other one is SPX, okay, in which you have to manually select how much dB you want. It has low CPU usage and it is far more recommended. With this microphone, with this condenser microphone, I was able to use that, and you can hear me whispering. All right, so that's a very good, very important thing. K668, I got this microphone, 18 bucks. It doesn't come with this stand that you're seeing here in the camera. Let me show you. It doesn't come with this stand. Okay, it doesn't come with this stand. It comes with this stand, this thing, this small little tripod. And if you do not use keyboard while making videos, maybe that's good. Otherwise I found it hard. Anyways, if not, you can just get a cheap. This is how much? I think this is like $5. Okay, or maybe you can build one yourself. That is another DIY project that you can do. So yeah, this is the microphone that I have been using for quite a while. Told you that. So the reason I wasn't purchasing any sort of mic is because I was confused, that I was sort of worried that it will pick up a lot of volume outside in the room, a condenser mic would, and it will just ruin it. It will make it unusable. Okay, the reason I didn't want to use an aux is because not only you have to have a curated room to have to use such a mic, okay, so no outside background noise, but also your electricity connection in your house has to be good. Okay, what happens is in USA this is not a big problem, because I hope it's not a big problem, because you guys pay so much for building a house to contractors. So I am assuming it's not a problem. But if you ever have heard that little kar sound or motorcycle sound or something, very terrible sounds, crackling sounds, a lot of sounds coming from your microphone that others have complained about, I fixed it in this video by attaching a third cable into the thing. So yeah, it's not really, the electricity and power supply here is not really that good that I can use an aux, or that's what I hope, that's what I think, what I'm thinking. And also it will be very expensive, 3 or 4 times this easily. Okay, so I didn't want to get into that. Okay, dynamic, I already talked about this. I got this mouse and I made a complete unboxing and review. It's in Hindi, but the subtitle, as you can see, they are in English, because this is a great YouTuber. Okay, I should probably not say that. I just made a video on Logitech 203, 304 and 402 and 502, and I just made it, and this was with this mic. I am actually, the problem, there is a little problem, and there is no chair, so I have been for health purposes, I have not been using any sitting things. So and I have a habit of moving around like this, if you know what is that called, kinetic something, ADHD, I do not know, but yeah, it helps me think if I keep moving. So I moved in that video quite a bit when I'm recording. I'm not used to it. I have ordered some balancing some things, maybe that will help me not move it that much. But yeah, I am happy with the sound quality. I will just show you what I did. I did not I have covered every type of settings in this video. Okay, I did as much settings as I did. And finally, if I put it 100, it becomes too unbearable, as you can hear. So I keep it at 75. Okay, microphone I keep at 75. That helps because when you are gaming, so like I play Helldivers 2 with a lot of the people from USA actually. So you can do it with software. You can remove a lot of noise from your PC. I think I've made a video on that. You can do it, but it's a pain. It's a pain. I'm telling you, it's a pain. It's a I just where is it? I think I made a video and that channel got took down, so that video might also be not here. Yeah, it's not here, but it's a big setup. It's a large. It's not such a small setup. Okay, it's not a small setup. It required 2 or 3 software. I don't even remember the name. Maybe if I put it somewhere. No, but there is one. Yeah, Crisp AI you can use, but proper one, the free one, I think it was VB Meta and 2-3 extension, and oh my god, it hurts my head trying to do that. It is possible, yes, it is possible that you can remove those sounds from your microphone so that you do not have, so that you can play in game. Remember, every setting that I am doing in OBS is only for YouTube recording. When I play in game, if my mic has a lot of noise, it will carry over. Unless you do a lot of tinkering, that tinkering will mess a lot of things. Okay, I have tried that and I ultimately left it. Anyways, not the point of the video. So yeah, so if I keep that setting, microphone volume at -7 at 75%, everyone claims that it's fine. Okay, and noise suppression, instead of, as I said before, instead of using RN noise, which cut out the lower volume, okay, and makes it unusable, I use SPX, low CPS uses low quality, but this one, and I add about a 10 gain here. Okay, so that I do not have to just stay here and speak like an idiot. I can move around a bit. Moving on, at this price, I will complete this sheet. So this is the accessory sheet. You can just visit my site. Okay, and you can click on tech accessories, you can click on USA, and here's the Excel sheet that you will find. I will add K668. Okay, K668 will be the recommended one, and under review I will add T669. I think, sorry, not T669, the cheaper one. Where is the cheaper one? Yeah, K669, because even though, yeah, I know these accessories, this foam cover, these things, everything, they help a lot. Where is the cover on the mic? Okay, I am doubtful if it can pick up my voice only, or will it start picking up everything in the house. So yeah, this will be under review. I'm not going to recommend it right away. The K669B or the T669B, both are same. Okay, this will be under review, but for now, under 20 bucks, this is excellent. That's all. Okay, and I think Fifine shop is, and you have a 13-day refund. Buy it, don't like it, return it. Okay, but yeah, I showed you everything, did I? Yeah, I think that's all that I wanted to say. See you later. I forgot to add one important thing. When I started looking for a review of this Fifine, what is this, K668 online, every YouTuber was complaining that this mic is not good. Okay, every YouTuber complaining that this mic was not used, and they were using the mic to say that, and people in the comments were saying, brother, for the money, this is excellent sounding. And that's my point. Many YouTubers who have a lot of money, who can buy 500 bucks of mice, will not see the value in this. Okay, yours truly will. Anyways, so yeah, I think for the money, this is excellent. Of course, if you have a lot of money, there are 300 bucks Rode mics and everything out there. For the money, this is excellent.